This is a song that I put on the album, and it's called Kawena. And now this song, Kawena, is my tribute to all the hula dancers. Because night after night, I see, and I've worked with hula dancers all over, cruise ships, Waikiki, and this is my tribute song to them. And I use my friend Kawena she's like the poster child of this song. And we're gonna call back our own Kawena right now. Listen to the words, and when we're done, let me know if it's a good tribute, okay? Won't you dance for me under the moonlight down in Waikiki? Kawena, you shine like the stars in the sky. There's a glow so lovely as a morning sunrise. Your hands will show me the rain, the wind and the sea. You're looking so lovely, telling your stories to me. Won't you dance for me under the moonlight down in Waikiki? Like a breeze caressing the trees, or the sun that warms my shore, you lift my heart in ecstasy. Stay with me forevermore. Kawena, won't you dance for me under the moonlight down in Waikiki? Like a breeze caressing the trees, or the sun that warms my shore, you lift my heart in ecstasy. Stay with me forevermore. Kawena, won't you dance for me under the moonlight down in Waikiki? Under the moonlight in the tropical